How to bypass Suno AI filter. Bypassing Suno AI's content filters involves using obfuscation techniques for artists, phonetic misspellings for lyrics, and iterative prompting. Replace letters in artist names with similar numbers or symbols. Use descriptors like artist name inspired rather than directly naming the artist. Focus on the musical vibe rather than the artist's name. Use phonetic approximations for restricted words. Break up restricted words, or change the nouns in the lyrics while maintaining the rhythm. Slightly change the BPM, pitch, or tempo of the audio file to avoid copyright detection. Apply heavy reverb or other plugins to the audio file. If a song doesn't generate, refine and shorten the prompt to focus on key elements. List styles you want to avoid to help the system narrow down the output. Sometimes simply trying again with slightly altered parameters works if the initial attempt was blocked. Thank you for watching.